Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic number 14. A lesson for all. Students, the page which you can see on your right hand side is of your English workbook. So, lesson number 14, a lesson for all, is on page number 41 of your English workbook. And the page which you can see on your left hand side is of your English textbook. So, lesson number 14 is on page number 33 of your English textbook. So, students, let us start. Lesson number 14, a lesson for all. So, students, the meanings which you can see here, these are the meanings which we learned today. And these meanings we will be learning in the next video. So let us start summative evaluation. First, written practice, classwork, homework. Assignment 1, textbook pages 33 to 35. So assignment 1 starts from here. The street is littered with. So students, it starts from here. That is from page number 33 and ends here, that is Mr. Desai, I fetch him, exit. So this is page 33, then 34 and then ends here, that is page 35, exit. Students, let us start with question number 1. Write the answers to the following questions. Question number 1. What difficulties do the people in the play face in the morning? So students, here we have to answer that what difficulties do the people in the play face in the morning? So students, in order to write the answer, here what we can do is that first we can find the points of answers from the passage and then write all points together. And the second way is that first we will find the first point and then we will write the first point. Then we'll find the second point and then we'll write the second point. So let us write the answer using the second way. So the first point is here. Why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? So students, let us start writing the answer. So the difficulties that the people in the play face in the morning are, so Mr. Desai doesn't get his newspaper. He is asking here, why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? It means Mr. Desai doesn't get his newspaper. So point number 1, Mr. Desai doesn't get his newspaper. Then the second point is here, that he is waiting for his morning cup of tea. Who is waiting? Mr. Patel. So here from this sentence we came to know that Mr. Patel doesn't get his morning cup of tea. So let us write point number 2. Mr. Patel doesn't get his morning cup of tea. Then students, the next difficulty we saw here, that is on page number 34. So that Madhu falls and injures her foot, gives out a cry of pain. And from what did she injure herself? On a broken glass bottle. So Madhu injures herself on a broken glass bottle. So this is our third point. So let us write Madhu injures herself on a broken glass bottle. Then students, the next difficulty we saw of the milkman. The milkman says that the tires were punctured and he had to come walking all the way with his heavy milk can. So we will write the milkman's bicycle tires are punctured and he has to walk all the way with his heavy milk can. So let us write. The milkman's bicycle tires are punctured and he has to walk all the way with his heavy milk can. Next point. Here, the newspaper boy trips over an old tire and sprains his foot. Right? So let us write, the newspaper boy trips over an old tire and sprains his foot. Next point is here, students, on page number 35. The bus driver says that I'm sorry, I can't drive the school bus today. On every road and street there is nothing but litter. So the bus driver couldn't drive on the road due to litter. So let us write, the bus driver couldn't drive on the road due to litter. And students, from this point, that is our children, are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. So we can write this point, that is, people couldn't walk on the streets because of the garbage and litter lying all round. So now, as we are done with the first question, let us answer question number 2. So let me zoom in. Question number 2. What more difficulties would they have to face if the roads were not cleared? So students, as we saw these points, that Madhu falls and injures her foot, gives out a cry of pain. Then here the tires were punctured. Then here on this page we saw that Mrs. Joshi says that our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. So we can write the answer that if the roads are not cleared, vehicles will not be able to ply on road, bicycle tires will get punctured and children will get injured and it will not be safe for them. So let us write the answer properly. If the roads are not cleared, vehicles will not be able to ply on the road, bicycles tires will get punctured, children will get injured and it will not be safe for them. Question number 2. Answer in 1 or 2 words only. Question number 1. Who is grumpy? So students, the answer is on page number 33. And where is the answer? The answer is here. Mrs. Patel says that Mr. Patel is so grumpy. So who is grumpy? Mr. Patel. So let us write the answer, Mr. Patel. Question number 2. Who is about to leave for his office? So students, the answer of this question is on page number 33. And where is the answer, students? The answer is here. So Mr. Desai says that almost time to leave for my office. Means Mr. Desai is about to leave for his office. So let us write the answer, Mr. Desai. Next question, question number 3. Who goes to fetch Dr. Sawant? So students, the answer is on page number 34. So the answer is here. Nidhi run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. So Mrs. Patel says to Nidhi that Nidhi run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. So who goes to fetch Dr. Sawant? Nidhi. Question number 4. Who says my poor child? So students, the answer is on page number 34. Mrs. Joshi, almost in tears, my poor child. So who says my poor child? Mrs. Joshi. So let us write the answer, Mrs. Joshi. Next question, question number 5. Who has presence of mind? So here Dr. Sawant says that what presence of mind. So to whom he says? He says to Mr. Desai when he gets some ice to stop the bleeding. So who has presence of mind? Mr. Desai. So let us write the answer, Mr. Desai. Question number 3. List the human characters in the play. Students, so here we have to list the human characters in the play. So let us list the human characters one by one. So first is Mr. Desai. So let us write the human characters in the play are Mr. Desai, then Mr. Patel. So let us write Mr. Patel. Then let us go on page number 34. So here is Madhu. So let us write Madhu. Then Mrs. Joshi. So Mrs. Joshi. Then who is next, students? Next is Nidhi. So Nidhi. Then Dr. Sawant. So Dr. Sawant. Then who is next, student? Milkman. So let us write the milkman. Then the newspaper boy. So the newspaper boy. Now let us move to next page. Now next page, students, page number 35. So here is the bus driver. So let us write the bus driver. Then the hawker. And the next is mayor. So let us write and the mayor. So students, in this way you can write all the characters one by one, or you can first find all the characters and then you can write them together. So it's up to you. Question number 4. Find 2 examples of each of the following from the passage. So students, we have to find how many examples? 2 examples of each of the following from the passage. Okay, so the first one is a statement. So students, do you remember previously we learned about kinds of sentences? So yes, so the first one was a statement, remember? Yes, so we have to find 2 examples of each of the following from the passage, and the first one is a statement. So let us find, so first example can be this, that it's 9 o'clock, right? So first will be it's 9 o'clock. Then let us find the next example. So the next is here, Mr. Patel is so grumpy. So second is Mr. Patel is so grumpy. Then second number is a question. So students, we learned that the sentences which ask questions, they are called what? Interrogative sentences, right? And these sentences ends with a question mark. So now here we have to find 2 examples of this. So let us find the first one. So are you finding it? So the first is here. Why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? So let us write the first example. Why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? And as you can see here, the sentence ends with a question mark. Then let us find the next one. So it is here. Where did all this litter and garbage come from? So let us write the second example. Where did all this litter and garbage come from? Next, a command. So students, we learned that the sentences that are command are imperative sentences, right? So now we have to find 2 examples of this. So the first one will be here, that is, let me see the wound. So let us write, let me see the wound. And the second one is here, Nidhi run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. So here also in the sentence, Mr. Patel is commanding Nidhi to run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. So let us write Nidhi run and fetch Dr. Mrs. Sawant. Then next is student and exclamation. So the first example can be this, that is somebody help please. So let us write somebody help please. And the next example can be here, that is, it can be this, that is, and the milkman at last. So let us write and the milkman at last. Question number 5. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. Question number 1. The street is in a shocking state. So students, we have to underline the preposition in this sentence. So, in is the preposition in this sentence. Then second, he came walking with a heavy milk can. So, the preposition is with in this sentence. Question number 3. The people cannot walk through all these rubbish. So, the preposition is through. Fourth, we have spread the garbage all over the town. So, the preposition is over in this sentence. Fifth, all the fish in the rivers and lakes die. So, which is the preposition? In. And next, Mrs. Joshi was worried about Madhu. So, the preposition is about in this sentence. Students, assignment 2 we will be doing in the next class.